Hi there, welcome back to another video. Consumed for centuries, plant milk has been a part of many diets across the globe. A substitute for dairy milk, with the most popular choices being soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, and coconut milk. More recently, oat milk has emerged a rising star for an alternative vegan, plant-based milk. In this video I will share 7 benefits of oat milk. Let's get right into it. 1. Dairy-free. Low in fat and dairy-free, it is an excellent choice for the lactose intolerant among us. Those who have a gluten intolerance may need to be more careful. By nature, oats are gluten-free but often processed on the same equipment as gluten-containing grains. This contaminates the grains and may be enough to cause a reaction. Best to check the label for specific processing information before you do buy an oat milk product. 2. High in fiber. Oat milk has twice the dietary fiber than cow's milk, making it an excellent choice for adding fiber to your diet for healthy gut and digestive functions. Specifically, beta-glucan, a soluble fiber, strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption can prevent infection and improves the body's ability to naturally heal itself. 3. High in vitamins. Oat milk contains B vitamins, thiamine, and folate, supporting the breakdown of carbohydrates for energy and normal function for red blood cells. 4. Replaces saturated fats with unsaturated fats. With 0 saturated fats and a total of 2.5 grams of fat per serving, this is one super vegan milk product. Everyday whole milk contains around 8 grams of fat and 5 grams of saturated fat. With minimal fat in each serving, it makes oat milk very low calorie and perfect for those watching what they eat for their own training and dietary requirements. 5. Cholesterol-free. A dairy-free product, oat milk contains 0 cholesterol. Regular consumption may even lower bad cholesterol (LDL) in the blood. Excessive cholesterol promotes buildup of LDL or low-density lipoproteins in arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, a precursor of cardiovascular disease. So, for every serving of regular milk you replace with oat milk, you are reducing your daily cholesterol intake by 24 milligrams. 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Beta-glucan, the soluble fiber, slows down the absorption of carbohydrates in the gut, providing a slower and steadier supply of sugar into the bloodstream. An excellent and very healthy choice for type 2 diabetes patients looking to help regulate their blood sugar. 7. Bone-strengthening minerals. The minerals potassium, magnesium, and zinc are all included in this super vegetable milk. All 3 minerals are important for micronutrients for the strengthening and formation of healthy bones. Have you tried oat milk? Please share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.